Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we're exploring the powerful and intricate field of nuclear engineering. Nuclear engineering focuses on the processes, systems, and instruments that harness nuclear energy and radiation. This discipline is critical for power generation, medical treatments, and national security, playing a vital role in modern society. Nuclear engineering encompasses various subfields, including nuclear power generation, radiation protection, medical applications of radiation, nuclear fuel cycle, and nuclear nonproliferation. At its core, nuclear engineering is about controlling and utilizing the energy released from nuclear reactions, both fission and fusion, for practical applications. This includes designing reactors, managing radioactive materials, and developing safety protocols. The workflow in nuclear engineering involves several stages: conceptual design, reactor physics analysis, safety assessments, and operational management. Engineers use advanced simulation tools and software to model nuclear reactions, assess safety risks, and optimize reactor performance. Ensuring the safe and efficient operation of nuclear systems is a top priority. Nuclear engineering has a transformative impact on various sectors. In energy, nuclear power plants provide a significant portion of the world's electricity, offering a low-carbon alternative to fossil fuels. In medicine, nuclear technology is used in diagnostic imaging and cancer treatments, improving patient outcomes. Research reactors contribute to scientific discoveries and the development of new materials and technologies. Now, let's look at the future of nuclear engineering. The field is rapidly evolving, with several trends shaping its trajectory. One significant trend is the development of advanced nuclear reactors. These next-generation reactors, including small modular reactors (SMRs) and generation for reactors, promise enhanced safety, efficiency, and sustainability. They are designed to be more resilient to accidents and capable of recycling nuclear fuel. Nuclear fusion, the process that powers the sun, is another groundbreaking trend. While still in the experimental stage, fusion has the potential to provide a nearly limitless source of clean energy. Engineers and scientists are working on achieving sustained nuclear fusion reactions, which could revolutionize energy production and drastically reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Radiation therapy and nuclear medicine are advancing rapidly. Innovations in imaging technology and radiation treatments are improving the accuracy and effectiveness of medical procedures. Engineers are developing new techniques for targeted cancer treatments, minimizing damage to healthy tissues and enhancing patient care. The focus on nuclear safety and waste management continues to grow. Engineers are developing improved methods for handling and disposing of radioactive waste, ensuring long-term environmental protection. Advanced safety protocols and monitoring systems are being implemented to minimize the risk of nuclear accidents and enhance public confidence in nuclear technology. In summary, nuclear engineering is a dynamic and essential field that harnesses the power of the atom for a variety of critical applications. Its future is promising, driven by advancements in reactor technology, fusion research, medical applications, and safety innovations. At Mehran Engineers Forum, we are dedicated to keeping you informed about the latest trends and developments in engineering and technology. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. See you next time.